in this problem, we will prove that cosine pi over 7 minus cosine 2 pi over 7 plus cosine 3 pi over 7 is equal to 1/2. So how we will do it? For this, we will consider the number 1 minus ei pi over 7 plus ei 2 pi over 7 minus ei 3 pi over 7 plus ei 4 pi over 7 minus ei 5 pi over 7 plus ei 6 pi over 7. Of course, we will evaluate this number. Here we have a geometric sequence with the common ratio minus ei pi over 7. So here it's 1 plus minus ei pi over 7 plus minus ei pi over 7 squared plus minus ei pi over 7 cube plus minus ei pi over 7 to the 4th power plus minus ei pi over 7 to the 5th power plus minus ei pi over 7 to the 6th power. And we know that 1 plus x squared plus 2xn is equal to 1 minus xn plus 1 over 1 minus x. So here we will use it with our x equals e minus I pi over 7. So applying this number will be equal to 1 minus our x is minus ei pi over 7 and n is 6, so n plus 1 is 7 over 1 minus our x minus ei pi over 7. Now we will continue to find its value. Here it's equal to, and here we have 1. Here we have minus 1 to the power 7, which is minus. So minus will be plus ei pi over 7 to the 7th power over 1 plus ei pi over 7. And of course, this number is just 7 cancels with 7 is ei pi. So 1 plus ei pi over 1 plus ei pi over 7. And the numerator is known, it's 0. It's the Euler's formula. This number is just equal to 0. So our sum is equal to 0. Now we have proven that the sum is equal to 0, and we will continue. So here our sum, we have proven that it's equal to 0. Now we will continue like this. We will just bring terms near to others. So we have 1, and here minus ei pi over 7. We bring this one plus ei 6 pi over 7, and here we have plus EI 2 pi over 7, we bring this one, minus EI 5 pi over 7. Here we have minus EI 3 pi over 7 and plus EI 4 pi over 7. The reason why we have done this is, here you look here, pi over 7 plus 6 pi over 7 is pi, and also here 2 pi over 7, 5 pi over 7, the sum is pi, and also here the sum is pi. Why? Here we will use this formula EI pi minus x to get rid of those second terms. So here it's equal to EI pi minus ix, which is EI pi E minus ix. And this EI pi is minus 1, this number is minus 1, so it's minus E minus ix. Now we have proven that EI pi minus x is equal to minus E minus ix. Now we will use it here in our formula. So here we will have 1 minus EI pi over 7, and EI 6 pi over 7 using this is minus EI pi minus x, so pi minus pi over 7, so we'll have minus here I pi over 7 using this formula here with x equals pi over 7 for this one. Pi minus pi over 7 is 6 pi over 7, so it's minus E minus I pi over 7. And now we will continue here, the other one, this one, plus EI 2 pi over 7. And the same here, we have 5 pi over 7 is pi minus 2 pi over 7. So the same, we will have minus, but here minus with minus, it will be plus E minus I 2 pi over 7. And here, the last one, minus EI 3 pi over 7, E minus I 3 pi over 7, which is equal to 0. And now the final step is to transform those complex numbers. So here we know that exponential x ix plus exponential minus ix is equal to 2 cosine x. This in complex analysis, we know this. So here we will replace those three terms. So we use this equality here. We will have, so I write it here, exponential ix plus exponential minus ix is equal to 2 cosine x. So here minus, and here minus is the common factor, and we use this, it's 2 cosine pi over 7. And the same here, the same formula, this one is, it's plus 2 cosine 2 pi over 7. And finally here, minus, the same as the first one, 2 cosine 3 pi over 7. Of course, it's equal to 0. Now, it's almost done. Now, the final step is just to take this sum to the other side, and we will have, so I will continue just here above. So we will have the last step we will have 1 equals, those term goes to the other side, minus 2 cosine pi over 7 is 2 cosine pi to the 7 over 7 in the other side. Here minus 2 cosine 2 pi over 7 and plus in the other side 2 cosine 3 pi over 7. Yes. And now the common factor is 2. We have 1 equals 2 cosine pi over 7 minus cosine 2 pi over 7 plus cosine 3 pi over 7. And now we just divide by 2 and we get our formula: cosine pi over 7 minus cosine 2 pi over 7 plus cosine 3 pi over 7 is of course equal to 1/2. You see here the power of complex analysis proving like those formula. And of course this concludes our problem.